Hey, it's Max. We're at Future Vision here in Forbes. We're here making these biplanes on our Baykal Pressbrake. It's a 5-axis synchronized machine. It has 2D, 3D rendering on the new Delem DA66 and 69T controllers. So on the Delem controller, you can have your product library here, and you can make your own product with your thickness, your material. You have a library there, bending length, and you go to this quick draw page where you can draw whatever shape you need. With your angles, you can do regular angles, or you can also do bumping, where you type in your radius and your amount of little bends that you want. And you can do a whole bunch of little bends to make up a large radius, usually used for things like dump truck, scoopers, barbecue lids, stuff like that. So you get some interesting shapes. You can go here to your sequence, where it goes through every single possible sequence for making the job. On this particular job, you can, with each of your bends, program in whatever settings you want. You can slow the beam down as the job presses. That way, if you have heavy material, you can support it on its way up, and you can also cause it to slowly release the material, allowing you to safely handle the job as it comes back down. When you're ready to run, you just select the bend, press the go button, and you're good to go.